How's it going, guys? It's Habib here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create the first purchase anniversary flow. If you are just joining me for the first time, my name is Habib. I'm an e-commerce marketing consultant and also the founder of the marketing agency called the Smart E-commerce. So at the Smart E-commerce, we help e-commerce brands increase sales and profits using email and SMS marketing. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to create the first purchase anniversary flow. So to create this flow in Klaviyo, you basically want to come to your flow, then search for first purchase, right? This one right here. So we're going to be using the standard one. So as you can see here, it's saying before you can take advantage of this first purchase celebration flow, make sure you're tagging customer profiles with a first purchase date. So this basically means that you need to, tag a customer the first time they buy something from you. So let's say somebody bought something from you yesterday. They'll receive an email this time next year, the same date next year, right? That is the first purchase date. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is, start tagging customers as soon as they buy something from us. So what you want to do in this case is go to your thank you email. So let's say you're using customer thank you email to send a thank you email to people as soon as they buy something from you. So in this case, I'm going to be creating a thank you email. So in this email, what I want to do basically is just tag the first time customers as soon as they buy something. So here you can see placed order equals one time. So if this is for first time customers, right? So what we want to do here is update first time customer property, right? So here you want to update existing property and find first purchase right here, first purchase date. You want to use current date when step is reached. But let's say you can't find, in some cases some people can't find this first purchase date. Let's say you can't find it, you just have to create a new property and name it first purchase date, right? Now I won't do that again. So you want to name it first purchase date, then choose date. That's all. But since we have this already, we're just gonna update the properties, right? Save that, and that's how you create these first purchase dates dynamically. So again, somebody buys something from you for the first time, their profile will be updated dynamically saying this person bought something for the first time on this date, right? So the next step will be creating the first purchase anniversary flow, which is going to send this anniversary email to people after 1 year. So in this case, you can see start on the person's first purchase date. So the trigger of this email is the first purchase date tag we created just now, right? So that will be the trigger of this email. Then after 365 days, which is a year, you'll receive this purchase anniversary email, right? Then if you want to keep going, 2 years, 3 years, so what you want to do basically is just clone this, right? So just clone this and drag it here. Then you can create the email as long as you want. So in this example now, this is email number 1 for the first year, email number 2 for the second year, and for the third year, right? So that's just how you create this flow. So here's an example here. The first one, happy anniversary. So this is just basically giving 50% off plus free shipping to thank the customer for being a loyal customer. And this one right here is the third anniversary, right? So that's how you set up this flow and update everything dynamically. So if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. And if you need help with your email marketing, you can send me a DM on Instagram at growwithabib on Instagram, or just shoot me an email at habib@hbglobal.com. Again, if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.